Yep, howdy there guys. BC Rail is hopefully inching towards us. The things we do for you guys. No, but we love it. We're having fun today here.
And I just found
Yeah. Here you go guys. I figured I'd take it off super steady. I know that the wind's like crazy. Oh my goodness. These are 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. That's a -8 liter C40-8M or C40M-8. Ah! We're on a gravel parking lot right now, and yeah, it feels like we're being sandpapered, sandblasted, I mean. Apologize for the camera quality, guys. Dust storm. The old main guy being a hero today.
sorry guys, I got the hat, look. Hey! No, what are you doing? Come back here.
Yeah. So this is some interesting action here. I'll let you know if it gets even closer.